Dear students, welcome to the another video of Eduins. Today we will discuss about the micropropagation. We know the artificial propagation type, that is artificial propagation for the plants, of course. Okay, there are several types of artificial propagation like cutting, grafting. Okay, and another one and most important, that is micropropagation, which is actually a very short time taking as well as develop healthy plants. Okay, so this is the advantage of the micropropagation. From the name, that is micropropagation, micro and propagation. Micro mean small. Okay, propagation mean propagate. Okay, or development. Small mean the small part of any plant, that is like shoot. Of course, this is a type of vegetative propagation, so we should always take the vegetative part. That is shoot or root or leaf. Okay, these are the vegetative part of the plant, that is the shoot, root or leaf. Before that, one important thing, we should always choose the part of the plant which should be the developing tissue present in it. The developing tissue means the meristematic tissue or meristem. Okay, so I have drawn here, that is a plant, that is the bud part, this. Okay, so this bud is collected. Okay, this is the, of course, this bud is a meristematic tissue or meristem. Okay, select a plant, collect the meristematic tissue or meristem. Okay, then we should sterilize it. Why? Because there have any disease, any bacteria or any fungal infection, so we should first sterilize it. Okay, by UV ray or any chemical treatment. After that, it will transfer to a culture media, which is called the primary culture media, which is enriched with nutrients and hormones. Especially here, the auxin is present. Okay, and this is called contain the auxin. Next, the plant part that is transferred to the culture media is known as explant. This is known as explant. Okay, what is explant? Explant is the plant part which is transferred to the culture media for the micropropagation. Next, it will develop into a cell mass. Of course, there have auxin, that is growth hormone, there have nutrients for the metabolism, so it will grow and become transferred into a cell mass. This is called callus. So what is callus? After development of the explant, it will grow into a cell mass which is called callus. After that, this callus is transferred to another culture media, which is the secondary culture media. secondary culture media, where the nutrients are present, of course, auxin also presents. Additionally, the cytokinin is added. Is added. Okay. So these culture media contain cytokinin as well as auxin. Auxin. So this is the secondary culture media, where the callus is transferred and it become developed, and this stage is called embryode. This is called embryode. Okay. After that, after few days, it will develop and the root developing started. Here the root developing started. Then it will called the plantlet. Okay. So there have four stages. First one, that is explant. Next, the development stage is callus, which is a cell mass. Next one is the embryo, and the last one, that is plantlet. Okay. So this is the process about the micropropagation. So I have discussed already that advantages of micropropagation. Okay. This is a short term, and also we can develop the healthy plants. Okay. Time, short time, taken, and the healthy plants can grown. Okay. So this is the process of micropropagation. So for the micropropagation, we should always remember to take the explant. We are choosing the explant. It should be a meristematic tissue. Okay. Or meristem. First. Secondly, nutrient rich culture media, of course, but especially the hormones needed, that is auxin plus cytokine. So the question or MCQ question or short question maybe came from this part, that is which hormones are important for the micropropagation. So what are the example? That is auxin and cytokine. Okay. So this is about the micropropagation. That's all for the today's video. If you have any doubts, you may ask in our comment section. We will discuss it in our next video. And if you like to get more such informative video, you may subscribe our YouTube channel Eduins, and also follow our Facebook page Eduins. Thank you.
Eduins, learn, grow, succeed.